In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and select Apps. This is where you can browse and install tools that connect with Teams and help you bring other services directly into your workspace. Inside the app section, use the search bar to look for Smartsheet. As you type, the app should appear in the results. Select it to open its app page, where you can review the integration and confirm that it's the one you want. When you're ready, add the Smartsheet app to Microsoft Teams. Depending on your setup, you may see options that let you add it for personal use, to a team, or to a specific chat. Take a moment to choose the option that matches how you plan to use Smartsheet inside Teams. After the app has been added, the next step is to sign in to your Smartsheet account. Teams will usually prompt you to do this automatically. Follow the sign-in window and complete the login process so Teams can securely connect to your Smartsheet workspace. And if your organization uses permissions or approval settings, you may need to allow access before continuing. Once you're signed in, you can choose the Smartsheet item you want to bring into Teams. This could be a sheet for tracking work, a report for reviewing information from multiple sources, a dashboard for visual updates, or a notification feed to help you stay informed. Think about what your team needs most in that conversation or channel, so you add the most useful item. After you've made your selection, add it to the correct Teams channel or chat. This part is important because placing the right Smartsheet content in the right location makes it much easier for everyone to collaborate without switching between platforms. Double check that you're posting it where the intended team members will see it and use it. Once it's added, your Smartsheet content becomes part of the Teams workspace, making it easier to access updates, share information, and keep collaboration organized in one place. If needed, you can always go back and adjust where the app is added or choose a different Smartsheet item later. And that's how to add Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams.